Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to pack a project as a zip in Godot. Let's begin. Let's say that you don't really have a Git for controlling the versions of your projects, and you don't really have like a pen drive or anything. You can only put your game onto a Google Drive, for example. But our typical size of the files isn't really that small. So in order to make it lower, you want to go into the project, and then right under export, you can just go and pack project as zip. Additionally, you could go and create a preset and exporting the zip, but as you can see, it will export the project resources as a zip package, and it will be the project data without Godot executable, but it requires you to create a preset, and it's not really needed. All you want to do is just go into project, pack project as zip. As you can see, you can choose the zip. It will automatically set the name and the date as the name, and you can just save it and do whatever you want with it. As you can see, I did the same here. And yeah, that's literally it. By the way, if you want to learn how you can create such a game with addition of shooting mechanic, you can watch our course for creating a top-down shooter. Wink, wink. But anyway, that's all for this episode. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.